En piny Kenya Rigathi Gachagua okwayo Rowere mapacho kaendi mondo yie ochung ng'anyo ni mar jonjore osedonjore kendo koro kelo lal ne jopiny ma Kenya. Gachagua mane olose kaunti ma Laikipia okwayo Rowere mondo yie mar twak gi jatend piny Kenya mar pedho dwaro margi. Ne olose yik mar nyamin mare mosenindo Lea Wangari.
The young generation, Gen Z, as your father, my sons and daughters, we have heard you. You've spoken very clearly. The message is home. What you started as peaceful protests, unfortunately, have been infiltrated and hijacked by criminals with criminal intent, who are now engaged in looting and creating mayhem. My sons and daughters, listen to us as your parents. I think if you agree, we want to plead with you to call off the protests so that criminals do not hijack them. What you had started in good faith with a message to the country, infiltrate and hijack and bring chaos to our beautiful country. That is my plea as a parent to my children. And I want to say that now that you have been heard, a mechanism is being worked on how the issues that you think needs to be addressed will be addressed.